Good morning, guys. It's Thursday morning. I think it's the 20th. I'm losing track of days out here. It is the 20th. Appreciate you guys checking out on the premiere for part one. Starting part two today. I'm gonna be laying some mosaic tiles in the showers. All 4 shower floors get the same kind of pebble style mosaic. So I'm gonna lay those today and get some level lines drawn on the wall and get things ready for part two. I'll figure out what song I'm gonna jam out to when I get to the editing process, but let's lay some fucking tile. Come on.
I've been known to fight the good fight. I've been known to walk alone. I've been known to stay out all night, drinking wine and getting stoned. I feel like you're not ever gonna let me love you. I feel like I'm gonna be left here on my own. I feel like I'm not ever gonna rise above you. I feel like we will always walk alone. I was born into the good life. I have owned a wretched soul. I was thrown into the dark night, where I roam with no control. I feel like you're not ever gonna let me love you. I feel like I'm gonna have to face this on my own. I feel like I'm not ever gonna rise above you. I feel like we will always walk alone. Walk alone. Walk alone. Walk alone.
Ooh-wee. I'm tired. I'm going home. All right, I'm home.
There's a new day on the horizon. There's a rising in the air. Somewhere somebody's trying to tell me they care. So I'ma lift my head to a new day, plant my feet on the ground, look at life in a new way. It was going down. Today's the day I'm gonna take things slow, try to change my ways, forgive and let all that go. Tell the ones I love what they need to know. I'm gonna turn around and settle down and slow my roll. Mixing loneliness and whiskey, heartache and cocaine, living life like a gypsy, lost and ashamed. So I'ma look to the Lord as my witness, rest my hat on the shelf, trade these boots for forgiveness and find myself. 'Cause today's the day I'm gonna take things slow, try to change my ways, forgive and let all that go. I tell the ones I love 'cause they need to know. I'm gonna turn around and settle down. And I can't believe 16 has long since passed. 'Cause I'm tired of running and never looking back. And I won't survive if I live this life this fast. Oh no. Today's the day I'm gonna take things slow, change my ways, forgive and let all that go. Tell the ones I love what they need to know. I'm gonna turn around and settle down. Yeah, slow my roll, 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 slow my roll.
Hey guys, I appreciate you rolling with me. Finishing up this edit, I think I'm going to cut it off right here for part 2. Really appreciate you guys joining me on my journey. We'll see y'all on part 3. Peace.